So how do you show people you wish to do a parallel park when they're close behind? Well, I'm going to try and park just up ahead of these shops, and quite often there's a parking space in between the two cars. What I'm going to try and do is show people how it works. So first of all, I need to get out. Blue one's holding back nicely. Now, if there's a space, which there is, what I'm going to do is slow early with the left signal on, and I'm going to try and hold them back and then position out. And that then allows them to know exactly what's going on. Thank you. So you're in charge all the time of what the people are thinking. Just think on what I did there was I slowed, kept to the left, but I actually kept moving, and I positioned the car on that angle out to the right to then show people what I intended to do. And luckily enough, the driver of the blue car sussed it out and gave me space, but it can be a tricky one. But I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you soon.